To my fellow girls, so we know they save again. Oh. I saw this online yesterday. One woman they tell us say both people they put something inside our bra where they cause cancer. I think it's a joke. So you can't read this morning. I can't say you get one bra when they always put. Each time I put on the bra, go they scratch until I remove the bra. Now I go get myself. I saw this morning. I just say man check them. So I check them. I come use razor blade cut them. When I see what I see for inside. Exactly what that woman shows. Now I see for inside. Now see what I see for inside my bra. See what I see for inside. Nobody know the can make away with this. I still call the other one. Only God will save us. They won't kill us with cancer. See what I see for inside. See what I see for inside my bra. Only God know the can make away with this. You don't want kill us. You don't know what you will do them. So I won't make all girls when they watch me, they believe what it will make everybody begin they check in brow. Because you know they save again. See. Only God know. You can't make away with this. See. 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 See the chemical. See what it is our bra. See the can chemical with this our bra. I go around with it.